Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the background of your Zoom meeting. So to do that, you're going to obviously start the meeting. Go to video and select this icon here and just select adjust background and effects. Then you're going to choose the video or photo that you want as your background. You can even upload your own here. And that is it. Just choose the one that you want. You can even add a cute avatar in front of your background. And that is it for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.